Hello and welcome to another episode of Money Talks with Mohan Krishnarao, where we make your financial future simple, smart and swift. Today we are tackling a big question. Can anybody really invest in the stock market? Yes. And the answer is called ABC Invest Strategy to help everyday people invest in Indian stocks. With me is the creator himself, financial economist and founder of mqedu.in, Sri Mohan Krishnarao. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Niti. This episode is about opening stock investing to every Indian, even those who think it is not for me. Let's begin.
So, sir, let's start with the basics. What is ABC Invest?
ABC basically stands for anybody can invest. It's a simple long-term stock investing strategy based on India's top companies, the NIFTY 50 index.
Okay.
You can start with just rupees 1,500, invest only on specific market days. Use a ready-made portfolio, pay only rupees 1,180 per year, same whether you invest 1,000 rupees or 1 crore. It's powerful, predictable and perfect for working professionals, students, homemakers, really anybody.
Okay, beautiful, sir. So, I want to know how exactly it works. Is there any catch for it?
No catch, just discipline. Here is the trick. Every day at 3:15 p.m., just check the NIFTY 50 index. If it is red, meaning it's negative for the day, you invest. If it's green, do nothing. Let's say you want to invest 5,000 rupees a month, split it into 800 or 1,000 rupees chunks. And whenever you see Nifty in red at 3:15 p.m., invest one chunk. You will usually get 5 to 6 days a month. That's about 60 to 70 chances a year to buy smart. And that's how you beat the index.
So, basically this is like buying during dips, right?
Actually, it's called systematic value averaging.
Okay.
Instead of fixed SIPs, we buy only when prices are slightly lower. And that's how we outperform the index over 1+ years.
Okay.
No guesswork, no daily trades, just follow the signal. Red Nifty at 3:15 p.m.
Okay, that's absolutely great. But where do I go to do this?
That's very important to know. In fact, there is this official page because when you want to invest, you need a reliable platform.
Yes.
So the platform is something that I'm going to show. So this is the platform what I'm showing on the screen, that is ABC Invest.
Okay.
So you go to this, the link is also given in the description. So you just click on this ABC Invest, subscribe and you will be able to actually buy this Nifty 50 ETF.
Got it.
There you will see one-click subscription, ready-made investment portfolio, your daily guide, live tracking. You don't have to be a market expert, just follow the method.
Great. So, who shouldn't do this?
That's a very important question because a lot of people say who should do it, but
Yeah.
It's important to know who should not do it. If you are looking to double your money overnight or panic every time the markets fall, this isn't for you. This is for those who want peaceful wealth creation, not gambling.
That's it, friends. You heard it from the expert. 1,500 rupees to start. And 3:15 p.m. Nifty check. Red means invest. So repeat, stay and grow. If you believe in India's future, this is your ticket to participate in it. So don't wait. Go to the link in the description and start your journey with ABC Invest Strategy. We'll see you in the next episode of Money Talks with Mohan Krishnarao. Until then, thank you. Namaskara.